Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Medicare IRMAA impacts with Kaiser Family Foundation, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Medicare IRMAA impacts with the Kaiser Family Foundation, follow these steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Kaiser Family Foundation and press enter. Once on the Kaiser Family Foundation website, navigate to the search function. Enter Medicare IRMAA in the search field. Review the search results for relevant articles or guides. Select the article that specifically discusses IRMAA impacts on Medicare beneficiaries. Read through the content to understand how IRMAA is calculated. Make note of the income thresholds that determine IRMAA rates. Familiarize yourself with the different income brackets and their corresponding fees. If you have specific questions, locate the contact information for the Kaiser Family Foundation. Consider reaching out to them via email or phone for personalized assistance. Additionally, search for related resources or tools on the website that may help you. Check for any downloadable guides or PDFs that provide further insights. Take the time to compare your income with the IRMAA thresholds outlined in the article. If needed, consult your financial advisor for further clarification on your situation. Once you have gathered all relevant information, assess how IRMAA may affect your Medicare premiums. Stay informed by returning to the Kaiser Family Foundation website periodically for any updates. Keep a record of any changes in your income that could impact your IRMAA status. Review your Medicare statements regularly for any charges related to IRMAA. By following these steps, you can effectively verify how IRMAA impacts your Medicare benefits through the Kaiser Family Foundation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.